exit regret.
Is just over 60. But many of the other areas were plowed out.
Seriously, dude?
The Tashmore Constabulary. And on many of the roads, there were at least 1 or 2 year-round residents. In the Bradford General Store, he was able...
And that he wanted to be trans.
Just Twitter, yeah. Twitter
He wanted to be trans, and then...
Left turn regret. You don't have your flashy lights on, so it's not an emergency. Okay?
Too small. The nearest post office to Bradford was in Teller, New Hampshire. At 1:15 p.m. on that March 10th, a small postal truck...
Wait, what the fuck are you doing over there? Like, both lanes go to the same... Really? Both lanes go to the same place. They don't stay divided for that long. Really?
I've enjoyed our talk, Andy. I'm sorry we had to meet under such sad and unpleasant circumstances. He glanced out the window and saw light flickering continuously. That evening, one of the...
Yes, I know. That was the exciting content that you came here to see. People running stop signs. So subscribe, because I know you're going to love to see more of that stuff. I promise you'll love it.
He had to pause to look up Pinchot's code number in the battered and sweat-stained code book he had folded into his back pocket before coming down.
That's the right turn lane, even though it's not painted on the street yet, but the sign's up there.
Process, the computer of Eastern Virginia got its juice back around midnight. By then, the next links had already been forged. As a result of the
exit dive
blackout, something tremendous had happened to both Andy and 30,000 degrees of the truth was Brad Hyde talking about whatever forces fired the engine in the universe. And the truth was that he was very scared. It felt as if inside had begun to jangle an alarm. It had been weeks since she had looked at him that way. She hadn't come to him this morning, eager and glad to see him, and he didn't like that either. She had kept her own space today.
Nope, douchebag. Cheat around all these cars that have been sitting here for the last, I don't know, 5 minutes or whatever. Douchebag. Jeep. Oh, yeah, 2 douchebags in a row. Oh, wait, never mind. The Jeep came to his senses and decided to exit anyway. Okay. I guess someone kind of learned, but the car behind it didn't, so whatever. Bad, bad, bad. Everyone stop it.
But nobody's talking about it. It's crazy. It's crazy. So anyway, going on to the things that people would like to not talk about.
Nice cutoff.
On Sunday, a couple of big...
I helped you, didn't I? He said in a voice that was not quite steady.
Red light, Ron.
It wasn't really bad, was it? It can't go on. You've been lucky already, and you know it. Her footsteps crossed.
That's an illegal U-turn.
And then there was the sound of TV.
The industrial area, and being in these grid neighborhoods that was close to those areas was a nice place to be because you're becoming family. I'm getting a little crazy that I think they could win that many, but I think win like 6 or 7 games. I think by the end of October they're going to be a very competitive team. I think they're going to be in a lot of games. I think they're a little bit young, so they're not going to win. Like today, they should have won. They should have beat the Steelers today. They just don't know how to do it yet.
Really? Really? It's like, gee, I wonder why the car ahead of you is stopped. Yeah. Pedestrians. There's a crosswalk like 20 feet up there. Pedestrians. Yep, wave a hi. Hi. Yeah, that guy almost got hit. Like, someone actually knows how to use a crosswalk here. Amazing. Now, are we going to have room in the loading zone for me? Of course not. There better be room than one around the corner, otherwise I'm going to be screwed. Yeah, left turn regret from Pennsylvania. Go back there. At least you're heading in the right direction. We are heading south. So there you go. Go back there. Where'd that guy come from?
Years of my YouTube career proved to not be healthy for me, and now I have an actual.
Yeah, I wonder where crosswalks are around here.
Jump into it.
I wonder, it's like, are there crosswalks in this town? I can't see any.
But they're like, we determined you broke the anti rules, and so you're
really
in read-only mode because you were mean to a person.
An empty room. He tried to feel relief. The premonition, hunch, whatever you wanted to call it.
Were you starting to go before it turned green?
Here.
I think you were.
He snapped off the light and went back.
Their husbands of insanity. It was a huge loophole. And on the 18th of June,
whoa, what the?
1860,
Really?
County Sheriff
That's for the left turn.
Home to arrest Elizabeth and to take her into custody. And she would spend.
No, stop. BMW. And I'm talking about the one that turned right, not the one that turned left. Jeez, how much longer is this light going to stay? Red light, Ron. Nope. Over there in the other lane. You can't cut through the thing like that. Stop it!
For NFL week number, oh my god, dude, it's going on to week number 5 already.
Oh, right turn regret. A nice cutoff.
I'm your host, Paul Bursey, over here. Bill Burr over there.
It's double lined. You couldn't wait like another 5 seconds to go around them? No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real because we're on I-81 south of Syracuse and it's definitely November and there's no trucks allowed. No, you cannot be there. We're definitely in November. I will never ever lie to you. We're definitely not in October. Ignore all the fall colors and the green still. It's all cold and snowy here because it's November, right? Yeah, it is definitely November. I will not lie to you. No. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. By the way, I'm just kidding. Anyway, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!